All right, Steven, thank you. Welcome to the Cooking Corner in the Air Comfort Solutions kitchen. Chef Joseph Fistrovich from Montereau is here to show us how to make a Croque Madame. Welcome. We're on this one here. Joseph, welcome back. It's good to see you. For those that don't know, what is this sandwich? They may have never had it. It's a very French sandwich, right? Yes,
it's pretty much just a ham and cheese sandwich with a fried egg on top and a Mornay sauce, which is just... well, we're going to make the Mornay sauce right now. So
cool. For those that have never had a Mornay sauce, what's it kind of taste like?
It's going to be a cheese sauce, in essence, a white cheese sauce.
Awesome, awesome. So what do we do?
So first you're going to take a couple tablespoons of butter.
Okay.
Then you're going to melt your butter. Then you're going to add the onions to it. Then you're going to sweat your onions. And then you're going to take probably about a couple tablespoons of flour. And you're going to add it to the pan. And you're trying to make a roux right now. Okay. A roux is usually a thickening agent to make sauces and soups.
You mentioned sweating the onions. What does that mean?
You're pretty much cooking it a little bit. You're trying to get some of the liquid out of it and making it translucent.
But you don't want to burn them or anything.
No, you do not.
Obviously. Cool.
So once you have that going, then you're going to take your milk. You're going to let this cook for a couple minutes, cook out a little bit of that roux. And then you're going to take 2 cups of milk.
What kind of milk are you using?
I'm using just regular 2%.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you add that in there. Make sure you constantly stir it so you don't want to get that roux nice mixed in.
Do you have this pretty hot, or are you going to keep it maybe medium?
Once you get it up to a boil, then you can probably reduce it down to a simmer.
Okay.
Then once you add your milk, you're going to let that cook until it comes up to, like I said, a boil. And then you're going to reduce it down to a simmer. Then you're going to add your seasonings, which is a bay leaf, a couple black peppercorns, and a couple of cloves.
Okay.
Let that cook. You're going to let that cook for probably about 30 minutes. So once it's been cooked a little bit, your roux should pretty much be cooked off. And then once you've done that, you want to you'll add your cheese.
Okay. You really want this to simmer, so it's going to look a little different than this.
Yeah, we're doing the quick version right now.
The TV version.
So you just let this cook. Once it starts thickening up, when that roux starts cooking, it'll thicken the sauce. And then once you've had that finished, then you're going to add your cheese. That's going to thicken the sauce up even more.
Okay.
And once that's done, then you want to take a couple cups of heavy cream.
Okay.
And that will thin it out, but still keep it a little bit thick.
Perfect.
And at the end, you season with a little bit of salt, a little black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg.
Awesome. And then when you actually assemble this, you just make a normal sandwich?
Yes. Grilled. So if Swiss ham is usually the classic way. You know, if you don't have Swiss or whatever, make it however you want. Make a grilled cheese. Put it on a plate, fry an egg. And you put a nice fried egg on top as well. That's probably the traditional way to do it. It is, but if you don't like yolk, then do whatever you like. You know, scrambled egg, over hard, however you like it. All right, Joseph, this looks awesome. It smells awesome. Thanks for being here. We appreciate it. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. You can check out many more recipes just like this one. Just go to our website, newson6.com/recipes. After the break, why a rooster?